Are you tired of working for someone else and dreaming of being your own boss? Do you love coffee and you want to share that passion with others? Then starting a coffee vending machine business might be just the perfect opportunity for you. In this video, we're going to give you a step by step guide on how to start your own coffee vending machine business so you can turn your dreams into reality. Hello and welcome to our video on how to start a coffee vending machine business. Coffee vending machine business are convenient and popular choice for a busy locations like offices, airports, and hospitals. They provide a customer with a quick and easy access to a cup of coffee. And for the business owner, they can be a profitable venture. Step 1. Conducting a market research. Before you start your coffee vending machine business, you need to do some research. You will need to identify the potential locations and target customers. This will involve looking at the factors such as foot traffic, demographics, and existing competition in the area. You want to make sure that you are installing your vending machines in the location where there is a high demand for coffee but not too much for competition. Step 2 is to choose the right vending machine. There are many different types of vending machines available in the market, each with its own set of features and capabilities. You should choose the machine that fits in your budget and the needs of your target customers. Think about the type of coffee you will be offering and size of the machine and any additional features you like to offer, like cashless payment options. Step 3, secure funding. Starting a coffee vending machine business can be expensive, so you will need to secure funding. This could include loans from a bank or private investors, or you could consider crowdfunding. You will need also consider ongoing costs associated with the running the business, such as restocking your inventory and maintaining your machines. Step 4, purchase inventory. Once you have your vending machines, you will need to purchase inventory such as coffee beans, cups, lids, and stirrers to stock your vending machines. You may also want to consider offering additional products like tea or hot chocolate to cater the different taste. Consider buying in bulk to save money. Step 5, install and maintain your machines. Once you have your vending machines and the inventory, it's time to install them in the locations you have identified. This will involve working with the locations owners to find the best spot for your machines. You will also need to maintain your machines regularly to ensure they are always in a good working order. This includes cleaning, restocking, and fixing any issues that arise. Starting a coffee vending machine business can be a lucrative opportunity, but it requires a careful planning and execution. By following these tips, you will be on your way to successful venture. Remember to do your research, choose the right vending machine, secure funding, purchase inventory, and maintain your machines. And above all, have fun. Nothing beats the satisfaction of being your own boss and sharing the love and coffee with others. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more restaurant contents.